Hey everybody, welcome to Algo Prep Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a stopwatch app using React Native. This app allows you to have a stopwatch, pause it, continue, and even reset. So it's a pretty basic app, but the logic behind it is interesting. It's a very good beginner's project to understand how React Native works. So now all we have to do is create a React Native project and start coding. Now to create a new React Native app, what we're gonna do is write npx create expo app and then the name of our app. In this case, I already have the app ready, so we're just gonna run it. But it asked me to install these dependencies. All right, now that it's installed, we're gonna run it again. All right, great. And now we're gonna have our blank app ready. So the first thing that we want to do is add touchable opacity. Okay, great. And now we're gonna use, oh, sorry, forgot to mention, we're also gonna need to import use state and use ref from React. Now we're gonna start with the state. So we're gonna need a timer and a set timer. And we're gonna set that to 0. And then is activated, set is activated, and we're gonna set it to false. Now we're gonna do a similar thing with paused, is paused, and set is paused, set it to false. And now we're gonna use our ref. Okay, great. Okay, so first thing we're gonna need to do, we're gonna need to write some functions. The first function is to handle the start button. And we're gonna set is active. Okay, my bad. Set is active. We're gonna set that to true. Set is paused, false, and I see that I have a little typo in here. I'm sorry about that. Okay, now we use the count ref. Set interval. I'm gonna write a function, timer, and just put 1,000 here. Okay, so that's the handle start. Now we're gonna need a function to handle the pause button. And by the way, I'm gonna have all of this code in the description of this video, so you can also check it out. There's gonna be a GitHub link there. So what we're gonna need to do, handle pause, and then we're gonna set is paused into true. Now we're gonna have to create a function for the continue button. So we want to set the pause to false and use the count ref again. Set timer. Timer +1. And again with the 1000. All right, great. So we have a start button, pause button, and a continue button. So now we need a reset button. We're gonna use the clear interval, count ref, that current, set is active, false, set is paused, false, and set timer to 0. Awesome. Now we're gonna need to calculate the time values for display. Format time. So we need a variable for minutes. Okay, and we need one for second. Time modulo 60. Return minutes to string. Pad start. And then seconds. To string. Pad start. Okay, I forgot parentheses over here. Okay, good. So all we have to do now is just work on the return statement, and then from there the styles. So we'll start with a view, because you know how it is in React Native. styles the container. All right. And we want a H1 stopwatch. Styles timer container. And then text. Format time. Forgot to close it. Okay. That's for that one view. Now we need another one. And this is for the button container. And if no is active or is paused and is paused, touchable opacity, styles, that button, and then we're going to use the on press and have our handle start. Inside of it, we want to add text. Okay, awesome. Now we want to make another condition here with a fragment. And this one is for our pause button. And this is the start button. Oops. This is the pause button. Not paying attention. So now we need one for the reset button. So this is the reset button. And this is the continue. Okay, so as you can see, we got so far. So now all that's left is the styling. Oh, my bad, we already have one ready. So let's start with the container. With the timer container, border width 4, border color black, width 250, height 250, border radius 250 by 2, align items center, justify content center. Okay, now we need one for the timer. Font size 50, color black. Now we need a button container, flex direction, row, margin top 30. And one for the button, width 80, height 80, border radius, oh man, 80 by 2, background color blue, align items center, justify content center, margin horizontal 20. One last one, it's button text, font size 20, color FFF. And all that's left to do is just export default app. All right, guys, so now that we finished the code, let's take a look at the stopwatch. We can start it, we can pause it, we can continue, and we can reset. It's pretty much a functional stopwatch. So hope you guys learned something from this tutorial. It's pretty interesting. I really like working with React Native. I like the jump from React to mobile dev. So if you guys are interested, if you guys are React developers or just interested in learning more about React Native, you can definitely try the stopwatch out and see for yourself. So thank you guys for watching. Until the next one, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.